15 Profitable Ways to Make Money Online. 1. Affiliate Marketing. You can make money online by promoting other people's products or services through affiliate marketing. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. 2. Online Surveys. Participating in paid online surveys is another way to make money online. Companies pay you for your opinions and feedback on products and services. 3. Freelance Writing. If you have a flair for writing, you can make money online by offering your services as a freelance writer. You can write blog posts, articles, ebooks, and more for clients. 4. E-commerce. You can start an e-commerce store and sell products online. You can use platforms like Shopify or Amazon to create your online store and sell products. 5. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students. You can use platforms like TutorMe, Chegg, or Wisdom to find students. 6. Online courses. You can create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy, Gumroad, Coursera, or Skillshare. You can create courses on any topic that you have expertise in. 7. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce business model where you don't need to hold inventory. You can use platforms like Oberlo, Amazon or AliExpress to find products to sell, and when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. 8. Social media marketing. You can offer your services as a social media marketer and help businesses grow their social media presence. You can manage social media accounts, create content, and run ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. 9. YouTube. You can create a YouTube channel and earn money through ad revenue, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. You can create content on any topic that interests you. 10. Virtual assistant. You can work as a virtual assistant and provide administrative support to businesses and individuals. You can offer services like email management, appointment scheduling, and data entry. 11. Podcasting. If you have expertise in a particular area or are interested in a specific topic, you can create a podcast and monetize it through sponsorships, advertising, and affiliate marketing. 12. Graphic design. If you have design skills, you can offer your services as a freelance graphic designer. You can create logos, social media graphics, flyers, and other visual content for businesses and individuals. 13. Online coaching. You can offer coaching services online and help people achieve their goals in various areas like fitness, business, and personal development. You can use platforms like Coach.me or Zoom to connect with clients. 14. Stock trading. You can make money online by trading stocks. You can use platforms like Robinhood or E-Trade to buy and sell stocks and earn profits based on the market trends. However, this option carries a higher risk than the others mentioned above. 15. App development. You can develop mobile apps and sell them on platforms like the App Store or Google Play. You can also offer app development services to businesses and individuals. Follow, like and share for more videos on how to make money online.